What if I told you that there's a simple reason why your art feels off, and there's a way to fix it? To fix your art, we must first of all talk about simplicity. You know, the bare necessities of life. Now, this video is going to be about drawing and art, but you can certainly apply everything I'm about to say to anything in your life. As an aspiring artist, one of the things I dream of doing is creating characters. I have all these images in my head of all these complex characters that have all sorts of things. Cool costumes, weapons and armor, very comic book, real superhero stuff. The problem is, what I want to make is still beyond my current level of skill. I'm trying to get better, and I do see myself improving, even if it's at a very slow pace. But then I came across this art channel called JRam Draws and watched a video of his that reminded me of something. Simplicity is the key. And if you keep it simple when you start, you will discover that you are already good enough to take the first step. He never actually said this, but I followed the tutorial in the video and I rediscovered how simple shapes can lead to simple characters who appear to be complex individuals. Now I know none of this is groundbreaking news, but we can all do with a reminder every now and then, because sometimes we may know what to do, but it doesn't mean that we will do what we know. You don't need to be as good as you want to be in order to do what you want to do. All you have to do is keep it simple and start. Because the simple truth is this: if you start when you're not ready, but keep it simple when you do, you will discover that you were ready all along. You just didn't know it yet. Now, maybe you, watching this right now, also have something you've been putting off. It's probably something near and dear to your heart, something important, like a passion project or a life goal. Whatever it is, it's something you've been procrastinating, like a notification telling you there's a software update you keep postponing. You're better off updating yourself today, otherwise you'll become outdated tomorrow. So now that we know the importance of keeping it simple, the question here is this: should we all abandon everything that's complex in the world? Am I saying that complexity is a bad thing? No, of course not. The hidden irony is this: simplicity and complexity are connected. But how? You see, when you start simple and do many different things with simplicity, the simplicity of those things stack up, one on top of the other. And when they do, they all add up in a way that leads to the whole being greater than the sum of its parts. And when we see the parts work together to form the whole, it looks complex. Not because it's not simple, but rather it's because it's the very simplicity that we look down on that leads to the glorious complexity that we look up to. So even if you insist on only achieving complex things, never forget that the road to complexity is paved with simplicity. Or, as I would rather put it, today's pure simplicity is what will help you wield the power of your pencil to create tomorrow's complexity. Good luck and goodbye.